This is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to perform modification, self-service modification by yourself in the corner of your room. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you can see here, this is self-service NIMC self-service NIM modification. So without no further delay, let's start. You are going to click on register here. So when you click on register, you're going to enter your full name and everything, your last name, your last name, your first name, your middle name, your phone number, then you are going to take a face modification, a selfie camera. You are going to capture your face here. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load. You are going to capture your face. As you can see, facial capture initializing. This is the facial capture. There is light here. That's why I'm doing this video by this time. So it has captured the face. It captured the face automatically. Background not clear. Let me try again. It says the background is not clear enough. Then the face capture has been done successfully. It said I should enter a mail address, then password, confirm password, I agree, sign up, validate email. Let me validate my email address. OTP has been sent to the email. I will enter the OTP that was sent to the email. I'm waiting for the OTP to enter. Now you have done the training and you have successfully logged in. Now modification, ensure that you have done your birth attestation registration on NBC before commencing your date of birth modification on NIMC. So adult modification, I can see changing of name is 1,525 and 22 naira 0.5 kobo. Changing of address, same thing. Changing of phone number, same thing. Changing of date of birth is actually 16,340 naira. So that's it. If you want to do changing of date of birth, you are going to click on, you must have done your birth certificate registration and certification on the NPC website before commencing the self modification of the changing of date of birth. You now click on change of birth and you are going to continue. You are going to click on continue. Now all user must say national education number and to engage modification. All modification outside the standard fee along with the convention fee. User cannot modify another person and each individual is responsible for their own NIN. Users are not allowed to use their device on behalf of others. Each person must perform modification using their own device. Payment yourself from all people. I read and understand this system of modification. As you can see here, they say Changing of date of birth can only be changed once in a lifetime, either on the self-service website or at NIMC Enrollment Center. To initiate a change of date of birth, user must submit a change of NIMC NPC based certificate. Subsequent payments will not be refunded. I understand. So since I'm not commenting, I'm not doing any modification, I'm just trying to teach you guys how to do the self-service modification on your website, on your phone yourself. So that's why I'm making this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. See you in my next video. Peace out.